The 12-volt 300 Ah LiFePO4 battery is renowned for its impressive longevity, offering up to 15,000 deep cycles, which significantly reduces the need for frequent replacements. Equipped with a built-in battery management system, this battery ensures stable and safe operation by protecting against overcharge, overdischarge, and extreme temperatures. Its flexibility in expansion allows users to connect multiple batteries in parallel or series, achieving higher capacities and making it ideal for a variety of applications. Engineered to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, the battery is IP65 waterproof certified, making it suitable for use in recreational vehicles, marine environments, and off-grid setups. Standing out as a lightweight option, this battery weighs just 57 pounds, blending high energy density with portability. A dedicated after-sales support team is available to assist users, ensuring a smooth experience from purchase to installation.